guys, this is Untouchable Mama. Thank you for watching our video. Thank you for being there for us. Please do not forget to share with your friends and press the notification button. Also follow us on Facebook, Untouchable Mama page. You can also see me on Untouchable Mama backup page. We are there for you. Thank you for being there. Thank you, one love. I appreciate each and everyone. Bye.
So briefly, I'm going to talk on on a video I saw. Yeah, it's concerning. Okay, let's just check it. So it's about Atuariagbon. The baby mama to Ambrose Obewe Ajala. So I saw this video where she said, let's quickly listen to it. Okay, guys. Okay, good morning, good morning.
Because in my your panny way, anywhere or more jockey. Me, I show you a chat where I chat to your mama. I even tell her for line. He go record me, make a complaint about the recorder. All the record where she nyanya. I don't need a record. I don't send on your boy John Swan.
Atu arriva bo fiakulele jambrusa. You are saying, is it not time for Kinebo to start playing the record? Wait a minute. You were the one who actually told us that you have Kinebo's audio that Wawari boy or work me to. You are the one who said Kinebo never ever said she had audio until you came out to say Wawari boy your audio work me to Udo Pogge Johnny Dada, Udo Pogge, Udo Pogge mother-in-law, Udo Pogge the for him. You were the one who actually said that. Have you forgotten? Oh, no wonder Ugeleme memory problem, Sham. You were the one who said this, so why are you not mad? Why are you not expecting Ukinebo to come and play audio? You played the audio that you have now. More so, Ukinebo even told you to play the audio. I think she wrote an update some days ago that, Ogbeti, have you played the 3 audio she asked you to play? You should be the one to play the audio first. Because you were the one who actually came out threatening her that you've got some audio to play. So, just to remind you, you know you have short memory. Okay.
I don't send on your boy John Swan. Better he get when they never recording of it, but I can't.
Atuari, if Ukinebo play any audio, I will allow social media, except on any of this side when no one stop, okay? You understand? So don't even, you are just, you are trying to make Ukinebo not play it. We try no more, although Ukinebo or women no way, Bigsha or Mugbenoyak Bay, that what he do at 10 years so no here, because what you are trying to do now is defend mechanism. It's defense mechanism so that she would not play it that or audio no go eba in huelawa. If she wants to play it, she will play. We go just still hear the audio. Egbe audio no ya tama no ya gbalam Bruce yo toy. Ya tawe uyagi arene spirit ore wa light. It will be easy to tie. Ma bege wena. Ma bege fanola we gbere wa ni. Amatiem, good morning, Omo Obas, good morning, Destiny of Sayanda, good morning, my love.
I can't or what banner me why. I they go juju, I don't get sense. You never reach me a complaint because I ain't set up for this social media. When nobody did, when he with a dog get problem, nobody don't hear anything say Monica don't back at all where you left.
Actually, when Ukinebo and Ewi had issue, she said she will play audio. because you are threatened before then that you have audio to play. You said it in one of your videos you were doing for Asaburo. The day after the video you did after she wrote, I will not believe anything you say about Asaburo until proven otherwise. Good morning, Bulnor. Good morning. Longest time. Hey, my person, what's up? How you doing? You know, Okinebo immediately the video you did after Okinebo wrote that comment. Before Okinebo had not even done any video. After Okinebo wrote that comment that she will not, you guys are like saying Asaboro is the cause, or Asaboro had done one thing to her behind, that she was not going to believe until the narrative was proven otherwise, you know. So that immediately she wrote that the next video you came out to do was where you said you have audio, you have this. Then when Shina came out, she didn't even come out to reply. When Shina came out to reply, you know, before we used to fight your battle before until avoid those young boy over there, you know. Until when Shina came out and said, while she was doing that video to Ewi, she was referring to the show you did previously, where she also said she has good morning, Edolites, good morning, Honey Love, hi, good morning, Honey Love, where have you been? I've not seen you for a couple of days. Oh. Good morning, Nicole Berry, good morning. Until Iknebo came out and said, because you had already threatened in the first video in the video you did immediately, she wrote that update about Asaburo. That was what she now said. If you say you have audio, she also has audio too. Why you dey forget yourself like this? Also na gbomana ma we o to ogigbe.
Don't hear anything say Monica don't back at all where you left. You can let pure one of my or anybody for long.
Ebo Amaso, good morning.
When he come out for a nogi, una no yera in your way nogi. I record the fuda. Some people we are the top for inside. I come the tell them. You know when you came I am.
Actually, just your babe Agunwe. She said that because of the video you did after that update. She said that. Have you forgotten what video you did after Ukinebo wrote that update? So with that arme when la 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 ni cannot change anything. The only thing around when is lies, repeated episode of lies. Like all when Okinebo said that after you said that word, immediately she wrote that update. You were the one who came out to threaten that you have audio. You were the one who came out. Just what go nowhere.
For inside, I come to tell them. You know when you came I am. Can you imagine? Mama, you work over woman. Money got to boo.
No, where to Ariema no Togbe. The only person who went to Togbe is Sampusa Jala. Oh, okay, Honey Love, you went to Nigeria. Okay, how was your trip, my love? How was your trip? How is it going? Yeah, she has to bring it to. Actually, the only person who went to Togbe is Sampusa Jala. Agbomama whatever. Agbomama we. Agbomama Bruce. So the only person who went to Togbe is Sampusa Jala. Okay? Love and like this video, guys. When waba Bruce Okpakeka Otogbe, so don't even try to bring that narrative that.
Woman pastor say he was my favorite, And no come and no, but what it have he mo a co, he mo wait for the UK. And to better man, said it anyway. When you get the man, they one room, they come from one room. You the end of issue and never matter. Uri my new piena. Nega imujo mure, no making out the mush. Because any other no son, no mujo mure. Whether you can not settle down, no one home, Banya, where Ambrose. I know my sister. First speaking, when my sister born for you, go do DNA for her. And I mean, know my sister. You just say Ambrose go, they know my again.
Any DNA are no way. Even Ambrose is asking you. Ambrose no. Ambrose where will be your be J boy. The real father of J boy or Jumizedo Ambrose is aware. That was why when one audio came out that time, where Ambrose say, where Ambrose was saying, now let me, now let Lord know what we they do with you now. So Ambrose is quite aware. Oh yeah, again. Ọmọ náà ìgbàlọ̀ yọ̀gọ̀ and a spirit Ambrose is light. So àgbàlọ̀ ene, what do you expect? Madam say another banger.
You know my sister. You think say Ambrose go dey normal again?
Bruce no bege. Bruce no ma bege na Bruce ya ka no ma bege. Bruce is not normal because you know what you have done to him. It's not normal because the pe no wa re Europe or win me be bo enwina. Odo o wa condemn for. Hello, I'm cooking oya rice today. Let me teach you how to cook oya rice. That's we condemn me. No we gban Bruce. Bruce is a working corpse. Bruce is a working corpse. Yeah, wouldn't. Na iwa munye yo tokpa kekan ike.
Ije ma we mi ropa. Era ma we mi ropa. Ebo ma we mi ropa. Evi social media wa do jajo igbo nwe ma to buwa. Nwe ma to buwa no wa na ne family aso problem in why do mo evi social media gbege. The social media people too they talk like wetin we dey talk no be una house they talk am. Abi o wa peluwa. O hu wa peluwa. Wetin we dey talk on social media? Who they talk am? Not be una sister, una brother, una mama, una village people wey know una richers.
No, but no social media person asked Okenebo, you, this same you was the person who came out to say, Ava chawo, Avian love ya kokbia, Avian love ya kokbia ya, Avian odo when ya DNA, Avian it's when ya DNA. You were the one who said, before Okenebo did a first video on you, you had done like 3 videos and said like 200 lies on her. So she had to come out and defend herself. Because utori gbeame we ni la ni no ori wa voni agbomama we agbomama Bruce un wa eva to gbegbe from council house to council house, from council house to council ma be agbomama we
Una brother, una mama, una village people wey know una richers. Now with the former ma ti washawo else you water.
Good morning, Lucy Becky.
Ma ti washawo otin water. Malati you was in ben wa your time where you were ti get in a jam. Malati you wa foki mama yan wo to. Abi o de na yan lele. Uwe wa iko ni yan lele ni yan le lo da fiyan. Uwa wetin yan win yan to gwi makun. Osi ologo e bo ke wa to gbe prison.
Atuare shut up. We ma biene dumizedo. This when you were before you Mr. Weke to 2020, you will just come out and be beating. Hey, he is following another man. Oh, this person is following another man. Oh, this lady is following another. Meanwhile, you when now rekiri walai rekie Dubai or your way of Paris. Hey, yeah. See her tongue like cow. Her tongue too big, so lies. And that tongue, she not even dey brush, and I know they see her tongue. Meanwhile, mama, your gbe. So after I will just shut up your mouth. You are saying, yeah, okay, also and Wahala na we agree with Wahala we agree with the other thing again because no why you are working agree. You was it the same thing. Okay, wait, tell me man. You because you were also going out with Domizedo. Na rekia na be J boy you are. J boy na here obi a big man ogi je okrika. You also want to talk. You are not where is the position to even talk to Okenebo at all. It's not that Okenebo came to make a friend with you when I think the fact if I even think about it that Okenebo even say that you somebody like Atuari even said good morning and Okenebo answered. If I even think about that part alone, I just dey feel bad. That might who are where you do discuss a personal issue.
To gwi makun. Osi ologo e bo ke wa to gbe presenter wa. Except you know why you get ya wo we o boy the other.
Yeah, Africa, good morning.
Good morning. dia when you make audio with social media now, oh your boy and make pay audio. Oh no where you know. Eri ya pe, eri ya mu, eri ya we so, eri ya we do. I bet you me that when we not see. Imagine why. I'm another way or why or can't be no more. Take baby new caster me.
A newscaster, you illiteracy, eh? Okay. You said you played the audio of the child of the daughter of a native doctor. Okay, let me come in there. Ukpo audio ge wo ma meti nwe mi ropa okome. We ma begin we yak pe audio ni agbomagide egbegi yokowe. Ukpe audio ni o ma say for mo final awegbe. Ukpe audio ni na dun egule ejebo veru wala ni. Ukpe audio no na lose a passport, not just you, even your children lost their passport. Ukpe audio ni you say you yes a UK agbomama you had to flee Netherlands. A government here tie where you tie ya is a siwe gbe we ya na anyo na ga barrier na sebo. Ukpe audio ni ne. Ukpe audio ni ne agbomama ukpe audio ni ne wuna le ade UK. Ukpe audio ni wana do hare one room. Ukpe audio ni no na so ya ade DHL ya we kato. Ukpe audio na like government council house after several years in abroad. Anyway, to that, it's not like you are like 10 years. Council, it's not even like you are paying for, okay, like a private property. No. Ukpe audio nine from one ifa to ifa to ifa to ifa. Ukpe audio nine owuki ando. Ukpe audio nine owuki ando. Okuke ando tamagbon wudo wa na mu wewo. Ana no wewe ya yari ebe ware. Just look at no why akpe audio ni egbe ma igbagbo mari yokowe. No na te buga ukpe audio nine before a present nobody even dey fit come out to say this woman owota. A presenter si ya o ma giyan ukpe audio ni is egbe ifa ila we egbe na ladian we any presenter no other way presenter we no ladian ma beg if ya ladian a presenter si even ya jaja we na equivalent ya jaja. You know, ukpe audio ni anybody no wadi a mistake igugun awe nya de do mo bogbe je boy vera keke step father again. Ukpe audio ni it's uncountable, it's endless. No why akpe audio ni o ma no woman so we o we te we na mu we yes 6 feet we now give me my son that way. Just look at your life. You move from back to back to back to back. Your backwardness actually, you know why akpe audio ni has been consistent. Your backwardness has been consistent since you played that audio. Oh, na komu we yes 6 feet. That's where we me we agbone. Oh, mama mia. No we why akpe audio ni agbomagi yokuwe. Actually, since you played that audio, agbomagi yokuwe. So lies. And that okay, sorry, I just need to check on me. Ukpe audio ni, you want me to recount it again? Ukpe audio ni final awegbe just 4 months after that audio final awegbe we Netherlands. Ukpe audio ni una yiva bole Netherlands re. Ukpe audio ni the passport EU passport nu so far we nu we so far in Netherlands mare re miebe we do miebe. Uma ye passports. Ukpe audio ni iwe ma mi passport. Ukpe audio ni una le are you cannot report you we moto. Ukpe audio ni o say UK wana una ye DHL ya we center table. Ukpe audio ni fana la jebo egbe na do Ambrose or jebo. Ukpe audio ni DNA jebo eyan agbon ye no we it tomorrow and DNA jebo ni ihe avila la gbon e kan for Facebook who must to riere. O manari ere willingly you will bring it or willingly because a jebo anywhere and a jebo la anywhere na wa mi awa azo e go and tell your mother to bring your DNA, go and tell your mother to be your DNA. Ma bega book and ya so we UK. So you have almost to born it. Ukpe audio ni you have lost your peace completely. Ukpe audio ni bi kaya yi mo bogbo anybody know wa we yan re do mo bi si yan do mo boyagbo. Ukpe audio ni gbe ma ho we wa we suzi pe audio ni another find that igbe ni suzi ya re kia Scandinavia. Ukpe audio ni wa we yan Bruce who wa from wa a council house to another a squatting to council house a council house agbon a council house wage kenana Northern Ireland ukpe ọjọọ ni na-egbe m ahụ ukpe ọjọọ ni na orifie boy iwe we live video ukpe ọjọọ ni na anadu ege e toilet we ukpe ọjọọ ni na anadu a picture nu ya anwayo the picture that you were a drunk on aladia. It's uncountable, it's endless. Hello my loves, if you have any efa no like no yak pe ojo ni wa gbon yiwa ukpe ojo ni na do find that it will bear way, because before then you used to say my husband is working in a company, my husband is working in a company akpe ojo na do a shako business uwa yobo uwa finish eke shako na we gbuwa ate we ke shako egbon wa ke shako na le gbuwe wan bruise ukpe ojo ni na gbon be na do ukpe ojo ni na do go bar your back, you were a government property in Netherlands ukpe ojo ni na do a common children's benefit yi ori we when I say o say 33 euro ukpe ojo ni na do era do we ke era ka or the first person no ka disgwagwa we akpe ojo ni na do find that way a 20,000 in job bruise no ya movie area. The list is endless. Happy Sunday, Oluji. The list is endless. No, basically, since you played that audio, your life has been miserable. You've been eating from hand to mouth. You've been that boy my day gbede yo no why ya pe audio ni you lost your most the thing that you are cherished to have so much. Me and you know the way you wanted to get your Netherlands passport by all means. Ukpe audio ni nothing. Ukpe audio ni it brought down your life from level 2 to level 0.000. You think because you are Amewa Tono and Mweken Gwewe. No, where who ya gbona. Omanamu yoto na bere no mass or way. But the kind of life you are living now. Ubu yoto na ke doing with stress mark ragba. Have you guys forgotten before that 2020, before she played that audio, she would come out. Me, I not get stretch mark. I not get stretch mark. No boy ya osalo boy ya same fire we gbe no ma ye 40 tomorrow. I can't do any stretch mark gbawe ye ke gbawe ya. I can't do any to we swore bune from your armpits. Since you played that audio, your life has been in shambles. Since you played that audio, your life has been a mess. So if you think because you have not died physically, am I one more where you talk? If you think you have not died, that's why because am I one more where you talk? You are just a joker. You are a joker because everything that you have lost it. Yes, now. After you play that audio, Salobana say faungo ya gbe kan lolo that knows you to your pant no rekunwe. And you got the message right. In my make sure we my frustrated way. My first target way passport when you are going to struggle, you are going to suffer. Look at you now. You now start from square one. You thought it was just running to UK with a visiting visa. Look at you now. You were EMT. You don't have a job. You don't have nothing. It's just la. On the top of the. Look at how you came out yesterday lying. One Bruce day 12. One Bruce day 12 will land this in that same video. You just change that same video. Now I told you. We fancy what they land this in. Hey Ambrose, what is Ambrose's job? You were saying Lolo's husband bought her Hollandis. It was your fans are the one buy you Holland. In that same video, you also said Ambrose bought you 12 Hollandis. Actually, Lao one more Holland this new one Ambrose is then well again. Actually, when you Lao one no more new Hollandis in Ambrose is then well again. Good morning, Gladys Cole. Good morning, happy Sunday, my darling. Actually, Lao wa no more Hollandis 12 no one Bruce den wela dia. Yagi ge Hollandis ya no orijo ya no jo o wa do kien toto neki your woru. Which they said somebody made jest of you about it some time ago. Ayemi Oma, where get Olandis a star Olandis in the wedge. Ayemi Oma no so. Ayemi Gbo Oma no say best time except are the Dimare again. I'm not sure say my mama or my grandmom. Imagine you could make best time because okay, net no who's the God forbid. All those kind of days will land this. Just tell my mom and my grandmom, please go and give it to Avian is Ragu or Monkpoto or Avionia. What is there? Are they go give the new one? Eh? She's confused, yeah. No, why Johnny, your life has been in shambles. Look at your life. You thought it was just running to UK. You are in UK now, you don't have no work permit, you can't work. Your life just moved from level 0 to Nukaje to level 0.000. So your backwardness is just consistent. It's not declining at all. It just keep coming from backward to backward to backward to backward to backward. Since you played that audio, you lost passport for yourself, and it did not affect you, it affected your children. If they are going for international trip now, your children will now have to start looking for how to apply for visa, and which group is going to wait for them. So they better stay back. So you have the thing, that Esther's audio you played, if a video of your boy only until a video them. Sorry, my darling sister. A video of your bone where in a play audio in other way, you know where, not be me bring her. The person will bring her for you. Airword, she's all the layer. Since Airword bring that video for you, did that stop her? Did that stop the relationship the Destiny and Oviobo had? It never stopped it. Rather, Airword had to umana kwe ukba because Airword Zarwog a Destiny. More so, Airword is even older than Destiny. So she not even get mad to talk say who Destiny dey because you know say you're the person you want marry na polygamy. So everything anything about woman you have to abide. Woman, if the kitchen is too hot for you, you leave. Since Airword brought that audio for you, as the relationship she wanted to scatter, they did scatter. Rather, she became ashamed of herself. Airword became ashamed of herself. Never the Nazareth man in no bono. Or we talking to me. If nothing you have a no matter Destiny's presence in her, look at her lights now. I'm about shine really honey. Because when over yata Facebook so that is it. Facebook in that is why life has depreciated. Look, even the Airword now, if she goes to anywhere now, I'm a boy but all who where I'm no forgive away. Even where you wake soon yo. So it's not they bring her for me now complain now all the way they bring for person they play. You know all the way they with some good presenters. You know all the way they with them. No, since you did that audio, since you did that or the agbomagi ma wena. Our passport in Weka losing, and I mean my name winner in Netherlands. I remember before one presenter, that presenter that is the sister to Ambrose, the presenter is in Netherlands. I remember when that presenter got passport. You guys were in UK precisely that time. You almost died. Because you were thinking that girl don't even have 1 year because you said it to your mother. That common 1 year document again near me. I beg again in a she was patient, she followed the rules, she did all she had to do and got passport for herself and her kids. That alone. Well, my meeting okay. No why ya we mark when we not see far you work, we not see we now what day here all the time. Johnny no pay no. Oh, okay, just wait here as they can call when you can we above our way. Oh boy. Lies upon lies no kete no ya mama we no kete no mama making ya. You love and share, like this video, share this video, guys. I'm coming back briefly. There's something I need to talk about. I just want us to brainstorm on something. Nuke tori agbomama we. A 12 Hollandis in our Bruce then with Joella. A 12 Hollandis in our fancy we then with Joella. Ave fancy we my enyama de Hollandis in Nigeria, yama de Hollandis in area. Where ya can do view Hollandis again? e be like say who buy wetin dem thief, e go say e no go jail. Yeah, that exactly. Yeah, fake kaka. Yes, no do me na de. No do me na do the more where they go jail after all, not being be the first and we still are no. Uta no more o jogede. Omo ma no go edo. Omo no wa jogede. The person that steals that plantain for stand will be arrested, but almost to do or a police I got no I got interrogated or do mani here na. So you have a domu. It's a gradual process. You think everything is just rush. No. Just look at since you played that just since 2019, 4 years now, your life has been in shambles. So just give it another 4 years and see. Being a dog we can make a fast. That's if you are still alive physically. So you don't know where that move a 5 no allow a gbé from since 2020. It's because of that audio you played. Before you played that audio, if I'm allow a gbé, now I make Facebook any small picking will come today. Una mwe bug of that was why I just kept quiet on Asaboro's own yesterday because I heard that page was having issue or it went down. If you may do what we go and control because if people are the one taking helping how to control that page, it will be so easy for you to take it down quickly. I don't know what happened because if she had not come out for you yesterday, I would have this morning Asabro would have had it so hot from me because you cannot come out and be talking to other presenters and who ayo you why because I even doing me I don't like that. If you know you cannot face actually, if any other presenter talk to you, don't even try it. If actually we talk to any presenter, the presenter tries to ignore, especially if it's not the presenter that is in a cage, try to ignore, and another presenter talks to you, now want to come and do video, you will have me to contend with. Yes. Just like I told Mrs. Kolawole that day, if Mrs. Kolawole comes out and bash any presenter, even now we're working pastor, so you better just face your church or you come and deny your gonorrhea because right now gonorrhea pastor wife so I'm just waiting for you to come and fight any presenter that I will see, whether I talk to the presenter, I don't talk to the presenter, or I like the presenter or I'm not I don't like the presenter. Me and you will have it one-on-one, Mrs. Kolawole or any presenter. Actually, na gua wa mameti gwe gwamba. Wana la jawu wa do gwe presenter be gwa na ere kejua. Na go big bad ghost na. Na barita. You'll be boost. If you guys just know what is good for you, now just go and meet up Maika to give you my picture because she has my pictures. Because that's the only thing that will not make me talk. By the time you guys say, look at your pictures, Melissa, I will not say nothing again. So that is it. Actually, when you look at your life, here. Because of that audio you play. So we are so that is what you are doing now. Who are here physically now because spiritually you are dead. Everything about you is gone. Tell me one sweet thing in your life. No sweet thing in your life. I dey marry and I dey enjoy. Be a women no be a sister. Rather you are the man who were one Bruce, who were cocan Bruce wowa. O bogbe when they rent fie meki. Agbon fiam Bruce. Agbon fie. Before a fakela wegbe. Etuladia, my husband did it, my husband did that, my husband don't go work. Again, a fagila we be no yak me or the other do we pizza deliverance Bruce you will bear fast. You see? So audio what that audio had done to your life is it retrievable? If you know see a dog is it retrievable? Ukbe audio ni ovena Bruce na do Jesus ti mu ni baby father ge. Ukbe audio ni baby father ge na baby father we na do lad we no why away DNA nya asa. DNA ọ̀rẹ́ stepfather na fe ìyẹn ní biological father aládìyàn ó pé that audio has given you a lot of disadvantage. Everything about you is a disadvantage. ukpe ọjọọ nunado manado eko weye ukpe ọjọọ ni amebo amudele ameya amebo ya na mugbo na iga weye ko wege shape we wege kowe and I mean you guys eko iwa tu ilade eko I remember have you guys I don't know if you guys will remember on our way don't they follow live video tell all this old firewood for the issue. Do you guys remember that time she will be mocking Nigerian women that they have big belly because the water they are drinking in Nigeria is not clean? I don't know if you guys will remember that video. There was one video she did. Was she and Lolo went to one party where they wore that white that time. I don't know if you guys will remember. In that video, they were in the hotel. She was made. I think they were just discussing something, and she just threw that thing in that Nigerian women their belly big. Now they say they drink bad water from tap. Man, do I usually? We get left when at war. Even in Nigeria, somebody in Nigeria saw your video with Jesus. What did do a belly? Even in Nigeria, you make back on women. Is it your tongue? You don't brush your tongue. Nothing about you is appealing. So, just to let you know that since just look at your life since you played that audio. The way we wire degi yeki. Gay. Okade who are degi yeki. When they are looking for first class, first grade at degi yeki, is that worry? Love and like this video, share guys. Is that worry? So for you to not come out, see. Any presenter that want to try that thing you did in 2019, because that's how you always try to be, like I always say, it was Belgium. Oh, Joy Fosa, you remember that video? Hey, you not tell for the video, live video thing. You not tell. That particular, I remember that just they went to a party in Belgium. It was that video she said that one. She was mocking Nigerian women till they have big belly because of the water they used to drink. You see her life today now. Your first daughter is not even 10 years. Your first daughter, okay, you can be a single mother. See belly before you see me. So what are you talking about? A life since you played that audio, your life has moved back. Your backwardness has been on a rampage. Once you are just in one level of backwardness, we're my begging one 25 L Guinea. And you guys remember when she came out to deny that was not her house, that was not her house, eh? After many years, we are squat. Even about Duro self, you get squat came out. If you see her do some Aduro, not be the one where they follow you. If you see some Aduro, when they will come out, if you go they lose, it's you. Now delay, they are like now delay now. When I mean you got real video, you go got pants, okay? Because you have to feed them, Bruce. You have to do this, you have to do that, you have to do that. So don't even come out to say okay, neighbor threatening or my send you audio. You were the one who said you had audio. Who are you boy? Your work you come and play the audio first. That okay, neighbor has been questioning you, neighbor has been daring you that you should come and play the audio. The audio where you said she recorded someone to come and give to you, go and bring the audio. That was what she's asking you. So don't even think you can twist anything without your big tongue. You will get that boy. No yak me audio or lady no yobo. Egbe marry your hoe. You are degi. Just look at your life and look at that lady's life. You are stagnated in a place. Now, be invite you we party Germany there and Bruce will give a picture now Bruce give any or in that all they did that do whatever. I think it was 24 bits that I was telling. In that all, and Bruce was the one looking so awkward with a toe down on you, with a wood down on you, with a wagon even like in a grilla election. And Bruce was looking so awkward. He was looking like a failure in that hall. Because it was so ugly. It was a structure around Bruce in here. Or even a Amazon at your boy how. Yeah, she has distressed so many men. Yeah, because they were believing her then. I know of a lady that was like, oh my God. Jesus, if you see lies wey she dey talk, that woman go just dey believe am. Egene Ifeaya like gbere 2020 ije that one ije Erihonaja, what deceiving. I said there was a particular video I watched. That video where she was that time no keke bunye kundi no wari Australian. That time again, you know, she placed a call to that one. That time and the man never separate. She actually placed a call to that man. And the girl was like, "Hey, epic call. We man on the social media. If you people have been following since 2016, 2017, you will know. If you were that during that pit toilet issue. If you followed it from the beginning, you will know what this video I'm talking about now." That Peter, that time Peter, they were not friends at all. Peter and I said, Peter was not telling the baby father, don't pick that woman's call. Don't you know that woman, that social media, that on the social media, woman honey. Pick a call, okay? It was in that video, she said, Ambrose, Owaniya Jena, Ambrose, that was the government household. And she had this dream, like I said the other day, she had this dream of living a soft life, getting married, your husband going to work and coming back, you buy your house, you're living good, you know, you have your car, you know. But ona wa do de kombewe na gbongbe. So she's still living, you know, when they say fantasy, she still has that imaginary life of I buy house for abroad. It takes a lot, okay, dowa. A rules and regulation run okay dowa nana webo. Because she had somebody who bought her a mansion in America, so she wanted to also come and rupture that me I don't buy. I lie. My people come and plantain we no wo our yawing. You understand? Joy Fosa, but that's the truth now. Yeah? She wanted to come and prove to people we may be the one. I have also bought a house, but trust me, it was too glaring. You guys saw where Lolo showed one house. Some of the houses there that they are using newspaper as their window, as their curtains, their window blind. So we're phone a audio ni just to remind, just to let you know that a audio ni no work ni or see adegi can where if you don't know. A audio ni finish where everything about your life went back to square zero, not even one. Went back to level zero. Look which presenter for Facebook. A presenter who won't did the same aggregates, won't did the same level. The presenter won't did the same is Ewi. The presenter won't did the same level right now is Ewi. Maybe in baby mama will not put in for her now because no they are be like the same level ne we were the only presenter where you and did the same level now. No way una life the way we all we working master we be all working master we the one who na even dey at par now is Ewi. The only presenter who na life dey at par now is Ewi. No other presenter una dey the same level at all. Iyanike masewe in all ramification. Iya masewe. The presenter ya ni ware Facebook waginya the Benin Edo State Benin community. Just look at a presenter see ya na going dey backward is just you and Ewi. I would even want to say Agben Wiwe Masewe. I would want to say that. But if I want to put it on a lighter note, you and Ewi now the only two of them they are at the same level right now. After years, again we ya like webo. Ewi is more exposure. Is eri oboji korsukpo no ya be kindergarten. No ya so KG1. Again we ya na eme 25 years later. We la webo ne 20 years later we kill la webo. And I mean, we drag, we compete, we sobori. Even the Don Prince of you gbogbo no wa. Agbon ni yere masowe. The Don Prince of your zebo. Agbon ni yere masowe. The only person you are at par with is Ewi. So don't even say you play the audio of somebody and you are still here, nothing happened to you. Every bad thing happened to you. Every bad thing in the book, every bad thing happened to you. Every backwardness happened to you after you played that audio. The only difference, the only thing that has not happened to you is that Amaiwaze can go where we talk. But you and Ambrose, you guys are working cops. So that is the truth. So don't just come and start bragging and trying to make other people to make that same mistake you make. Or any presenter that make that same mistake you make, iyan adegberato. Iyan ki adegberato. Avu ware court you when look at your life now. Uno suzu na ga lo popo vege ni e na do tama me ono do tama me we e just ni yen go e na do tama me ge suzu na gboma wie ana mi o bie o pe no mo ko no wie suzu ori koko mo koko o da fun o de gi yeke ye u ko ma yo boy yo hore mana be ri o boy wo wa re yo bo obo no fu kangbe. Are you not trying to encourage other people to do that same thing you did, knowing what that thing has cost you? Even before this, the only thing is you are able to bear your pain. You can bear your pain. Very toys Dorado. If it has not gotten to the peak, if it has not gotten to Eldorado, you will not voice out to come and say, hey, look at what you are going through. You can bear pains. When Netherlands government came for you, you were not the interviews upon interviews because you thought you could go there to go and lie this your social media lie to them. Way up paperwork I documented me yani. Until when you now got to the brim before you started crying, people should help you with €2. People should help even if it's €1, even if it's €2, whatever you can afford when it got to your name. But before you came out to say that, you have been battling it inside. You are somebody who can bear pain, who can endure it because you don't want nobody to make mockery of you. You don't want nobody to make jest of you until it gets to the peak. You also said it now. You said the more you were coming, the more we were pressing, the more you were oh but do when now. Even we met it time for in 2 years. That's why sometimes if I tell you what they do me, the following day say they're not doing me anything. Oh no. Working no, that was what I was always telling you that 2020. You will come out and tell people where you slept, the position you slept, and it actually came to pass. It came to fruition. So you should think where that audio you played, the mirror of that way. Just go and look at a backwardness, newer counting way, but go and look at it. It did not affect you, it affected your children. It was that after you played that audio that we now knew that you're the Eruwala even volunteer well. DNA or Bruce in that fe biological father Aladiando. He said he will even sponsor it. Ma beg when. No matter what, we na be go rest in hell or gone too soon. Or sudden death. Na mana egbon ni mana mu calendar we poster we lele ya. Amasi can get egbe keve di all of Uselu. Is that why you think you have nothing happened to you? No, just look at your repeated circle. It's a repeated circle of failure in your life since 2020. Look at it. It's been disgrace, it's been disappointment, it's been exposure from one to another. Look at any presenter who lad and do tear, but then lad and do mugbambrus and mugbijambrus. Exactly. If it's that alone, they will of your body when no saloba one normal one. And then me uwe yebe na enye nemo bi. Ibi kaya ya we ya inya ri ruhin. After years with Facebook, you are still struggling. Everything you do is still struggle. So they know your boy was saloba one normal one. Rather, look at her career. It's springing, it's going up from one level of grace to another level of grace, one level of fulfillment to another level of fulfillment. You can't compare. After that, she had never ever said anything. I think until she did one video about a year ago where you were poking her. She came out to read. It just quarter of a life history wa rotema. Will not if you you have tried everything to make it look as if you have succeeded. Mama yegba, you came out to lie, you bought a car. Mama yegba, if I even la we na doing well. Uma de you do kashana doing rental or more. That is why you have to gbera gbijue to get the money to pay it, to pay for the monthly renewal. Just look at your life. You are stagnated in one. People were this stagnant. Even no wa. The only thing on stay you is stagnant water is mosquito. It breeds mosquito. And that is what you are doing. Because you are stagnant, that is why you will come out and learn. If you really have a job that you are doing, even if it's 36 hours a week, even if it's 24 hours a week, you will not just be working. If I'm not taking every time. No. E ojo go your bone work be ni all see we umami passport in the Netherlands we no pese re woni. Eme wa gbe 7 years, 10 years in the Netherlands. E paliyan ri la diane. They cannot go to anywhere they want to go to, but you spend years, 20 something years in Netherlands. Mama ye mistake in the passport. Even before you got there 5 years, it was a tug of war. Before you got there 5 years, egbe we full. Oh we uwa gay. Even after that ordeal, Uma even enjoy a benefit, a children's benefit in a pay Agboyana, Uma even enjoy. You said that Bruce bought 12 Hollandis, so you bring the Hollandis, let's see it. It's not talk. Evidence is every. Like the other girl will say. Every evidence is a bring it, ladia. When a 12 Hollandis, when I use it to Hollandis, or when they walk, or walk balling away. So that is why your life has been going back, and the odd journey where unconsciously you might not even know what you are doing. The spiritual controls the physical. No yak me odd journey, just look at your life. You know where they bring and call. You are the person who will bring that audio for you. Just look at your life. We get that ọmọ náà kò lè mú ní ọdún ogun ẹ̀sẹ̀ àdágbọ̀n rẹ̀ náà ìdò máa sọ ọwọ́ ẹ̀ bíkọ́ àgbọ̀mọ̀ wọn ọ̀vìn ọ̀yọ́ ọmọ jẹ àwa gèwọ̀ wọn vìn náà wà fi jẹ wọn vìn. Upon all the money you made, uma bege e fare video orí ọbọ no pe ni. O e fa iro no miero, uma me u kan yere pa una yere beg. Iro no miero, un ke no we miero wo wa we your phone. But your image, ogbe soto. Image you were for, there's nowhere they will measure your name for anything good. No. Never. And it will even go beyond you. It will extend to your offspring, which has gradually started. First, now your offspring a benyame, it cannot be a webu. Yama test a benefit with the a passport in Yamari Ladia. A former member or Umabe which it was one of his daughter Balenciaga is 700 to 800 euro. If well, why Papa will give Mama will give Papa will give stepson, Mama will give daughters. So if you are thinking where nothing happened to you because you played that audio, just take a look at your life since 2020 and see the kind of failures you have envisaged, the kind of failures that have encountered, the kind of failures that have encapsulated your life. It's uncountable, it's endless. It's endless. Instantly. Every take it 1 month, okay, we are going to verify. Instantly. That before, when you be doing as if you are everything, now once you are saying everything, every presenter, binocular, what is it called? vernacular ya mo ya age working ya ya age ore well they are using it to in the moari lab do experiment do okay ore wana it doesn't even take up to 24 hours since you played that audio. Your life has been a shambles, your life has been a total mess. So if you think because you have not been buried physically that's why you still think nothing happened to you, just take a look at your life. Sit at home in your quiet time, just look at how your life has been. It's been from one level of shame to another level of disgrace, to another level of shame, to another level of disgrace. Look at your life. Look at Ian Bruce. You get 20,000 more here. Ian Bruce say, "Oga imudia even even imagine no even atakalode." Okay. So just to let you know that if you think that audio because you were making mouth the audio even up my way the audio book if you we are can't get any why you are a dark bon since 2020 no give no je and I mean we even na ofe no dey you want me we even na yen na mo obi ni agbeyari ye we tie I bet this one na just rope. If you tell one presenter one day they can't use 50 beat you. Presenter will not there your cage actually. All right, my people, thank you so much. I'll be back shortly. I'll be back right away. There's something I really want to talk about. Okay. All right. Thank you all for staying put. Thank you. Bye.